Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to read love stories on the Evergreen application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that you should tap on the Explore icon and scroll down till you find the date stories section. Here, as you can see, there are all of the date stories available. Only one of them is available to the normal users of the application, and the other ones are available for premium users. So click on the first one. Here you can see the two categories, such as romantic and creative. Here you can find this small or brief article. If you liked it, tap on the heart icon next to the title. If you go back and slide to the right side of the screen, you will find that there is a share your story section, meaning that you can submit your own love story if you feel like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.